Octa, how to install the 25 amp leaf. Let's first see how your devices are wired to your switch. The live wire goes into one terminal of the switch. The other terminal of the switch is connected to your device. The neutral is directly connected to the device. And when you turn the switch on, your device turns on. Now the 25 amp leaf comes with 4 wires marked as load, switch, neutral and live in. To connect the 25 amp leaf to your device, make sure that you have turned your main switch off and remove the device wire from the switch and connect it to the wire marked load on the leaf. One terminal of the switch is now free. Connect this free terminal to the wire marked switch on the leaf. Now connect the wire marked neutral from the 25 amp leaf to any neutral point on your switchboard. And finally connect the wire marked live in to the so far untouched terminal on the switch. This terminal already has a live wire coming in. The wiring is now complete. Turn the mains on. The indicator on the leaf will now turn white. Now turn the switch on. Your device will turn on as expected, and the indicator on the leaf will turn orange. Turn the switch off. Your device will turn off, and the indicator on the leaf will turn back to white. You can now control your device using the touch leaf, your Octa mobile app, or the switch itself.